Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create add to calendar button for your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so sometimes it's required when you're hosting a live event or a physical event, and you invite people or people opted into your page and into the thank you page or in any other page of your website. You want to add a button that actually allow your user to add the event into their calendar. Okay, so let me show you the demonstration how this actually work. Okay, so in this page you can see here is a button add to calendar. Okay, so once someone click on it, it actually open a drop down menu with different calendar platform link. Okay, so let's say for Google Calendar, if I click on it, then it will show the calendar event name. Okay, you see here, this is the name of the event. In this case, I added the name my awesome event, and then the date of the event. You can see here the date of the event, and then the link of your event. If it's a Zoom link, it can be the Google Meet or whatever link you actually want for your live event, and then also the notification and also the description of your event. Okay, so this way actually they can save this event to their calendar, and it will actually give them the notification, the reminder automatically from their calendar platform. Okay, so let me show you how you can add this into your GoHighLevel. Okay, so first of all, you need to copy the code snippet from our GHL code snippet library, as it's a premium code snippet, so you will get it inside your premium code snippet library under the calendar code snippet section. Okay, so just let me show you how you can implement this. Okay, first of all, copy the code and then add a option. Okay, like this one to put the code. Okay, the HTML and JavaScript code option like this one. Okay, so and after that I already added this. So after that, click on that custom code snippet and then open the editor and just paste the code you just copied from your GHL code snippet library. Okay, and after that you need a little bit configuration. Okay, so for the HTML part you don't need to touch anything. Okay, so all you just need to change the date of start date and the end date of your event. Okay, so this is the format. First is the year, then month, then the date. Okay, so you can see here 2024 10, this is the month. Okay, and then here is the time. Okay, the time is basically 24 hours format, but it will automatically convert by the script to the 12 hours format. Okay, so this is the end date. The same way you can just add the end date. Okay, and then you also need to put your time zone here. So by default it will come with a New York time zone, and then here is the Google Meet link I just added as my location. Okay, so I mean the live event location. Okay, and this is the title of the event and this is the description. Okay, so that's it. You just need to put your information here. Okay, and you don't need any other changes. Okay, so once everything done, just save it. Okay, once saved, then you can publish the page if you already added your domain. Okay, then once the page published, let me preview this and see how it actually looks like. Okay, so the page is loading. Okay, so now you can see here is the button. Okay, add it, and let me check if it's working perfectly. When I click on that button, it's open the drop down menu. Let me click on Google Calendar. If everything goes well, then it should show me all the information that I added. Okay, so here is the name. Okay, in my case, you can see, let me get back. Okay. Okay, so you can see this is the title of my event. So my awesome event, into the calendar is showing the my awesome event, and I added 23rd October 2024. Okay, so let me show this. You can see here 23rd October. This is the date. Okay, and the month and the year. Okay, so 23rd October 2024. Okay, so you can see here this is the time, date and the time. Okay, edit, and then this is my location link that I added for Google Meet in this case. Okay, just for demonstration, but you can add any link here. Okay, just you need to add the link here, and then the other thing you need to do is to put your description. Okay, so if I can show you, here is the description of your uh, uh, calendar. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then just feel free to subscribe our channel, and you can also share with your friends. And also one more thing I want to share with you, you can join our GHL Code Snippet library, and then you can use this platform. If you want to use our premium Code Snippet, then you can upgrade your account from here. Okay. Otherwise, you can go to GHL SaasKits.com to upgrade your account, or you can also join for free to this community, and here you will get all the updates and everything about our GHL Code Snippets and our funnels, for whatever we are doing actually for this. Okay, so thank you very much again for watching. Have a nice day.